good, YouTube? What's happening? Hey, back to back like Drake.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good, man? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And today I wanted to bring you something that really, to a lot of people, apparently didn't have a lot of hype on it, man. But to me, whoo, I'm super hyped about it, man. For several reasons, man. For several reasons. So without let's just jump right into it, man. Let's just jump right into it. Yo, okay. We got the WS Vapor Street, man. OW. That stands for Off-White. All right. These are in a women's 12, a men's 10.5. Okay, so that's definitely my size, my pair, man. Okay, and the color scheme is tour yellow, black, light bone, man. Okay, these released in 3 different colorways, man. Okay, you had this black pair that you see right here. This pair, it was okay, man. I kind of rock with it, man. I kind of rock with it, but you know, I like this one a little better, man. You also had this pair right here, these blue pairs, and these are okay too. All right, you know, if I couldn't have got this pair, I probably would have went for the blue pair second and the black pair last. But man, this yellow pair, I'm just saying, man. Okay, you got your Kodak paper. Not sure the significance of that, but excuse me, it does read 2020 MFW Off-White, and it's got all of your little signals and things, whatever that reads, man. Hopefully y'all can see that. My lighting is kind of crazy in this room. I haven't quite figured out how to set up the lighting yet, man. So apologies if this video looks a little crazy. But here we got the shoe, man. Okay, I did already take these out the box. They got delivered tonight. I put them straight to feet just to see how they fit. I was a little worried. I heard that they run a little big, but they actually were perfect for me, man. But here you have it, man. Here you have it. I do not know. Y'all tell me, man, because hype is a crazy thing, right? I think this shoe is dope. I think this shoe is dope.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That sounded crazy. I think this shoe is dope, man. It's a clean shoe, man. It's a runner. I mean, I understand if you don't mess with runners or whatever, but don't let resale prices tell you what's hot, man. Just don't do that. Don't do that. If you think the shoe is hot, then rock it, man. I think this shoe is super dope. I think it's super hot, and I'm gonna be rocking the heck out of it, to be honest, man. On top of it being dope, in my opinion, man, it's super duper comfortable, man.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
This is the most comfortable shoe I've put on all year, man. These little things right here that everybody is so upset about and so mad about, these little, man, it make you feel like you walking on clouds, man. I hope these things never wear down, to be honest, because that ride, man, that walking in these is like something you've never experienced in your life, man. Shout out to Virgil for doing that, man. You know, this is my first pair. I got the Zoom Flies. I got these guys, man, and the OGs, man, and these are very comfortable. These are very comfortable. These don't come close to these, man. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you, man. This shoe right here is super duper comfortable, man. It's the most comfortable shoe I've probably ever put on. Okay, so, all right, now that I've really got done oogling and ogling over the comfort of the shoe, man, let's get into the fashion of this shoe, man. You obviously got your ginormous jump, man.
What did you just say?
On the medial side, man. You got your dual lacing system, man, okay? You got your black inner laces, and I guess these would be like an infrared pinkish color. Okay, the eyelets are a pink. See if I can get some more light for you. The eyelets here, I can't get that thing out the way, so I'm just gonna move it here. Okay, these things right here, they are pink, which is a cool little touch. You really can't see that, man. Obviously, you got your green zip tie. Let's see, you have like a plastic shroud that goes all around the whole shoe, right? Covering up the yellow. Gives it a vintage feel, in my opinion. You know, I don't know what purpose it serves other than it's definitely gonna keep that underneath yellow clean. One thing I can tell you about this material here as well, this little plasticky type stuff that's on the top of this and that the whole shoe is made out of, man, you have to be very careful, man. It's very easy to puncture that. So if you're gonna be doing anything to where this can possibly get snagged, don't wear these, man. Pick another shoe, because that is very easy to rip. So other than that, man, on the medial side, you got your off-white stamp. As always, you have a gray midsole, which I love. I'm so happy that this thing is gray and not white, man, because that's what makes this shoe pop to me, obviously. You got royal tongue, you got a royal insert, and on the inside, man, you got that same Kodak print that's on the paper on your insole, man. Super dope shoe. This insole is thick. It's padded well, man. I'm telling you, man, I can't get past how comfortable this shoe is, man. So y'all stop being afraid of those resale prices, man, and go get this dope, because it's crazy dope, right? Obviously on the bottom, you got that pink swoosh, and you have all of these little nubs, knobbies. I don't know really what you call them, man, but I call them ultimate comfort, because that's what it provides you, man. That is so crazy to me that's so comfortable like that. What else we got, man? What else we got? There are pink hits going all through those knobbies on the bottom, more infraredish, I guess. And they actually look as if they're hand painted, like somebody just took a little marker and went around that. That's pretty cool, man. I don't know the significance of that. I'm sure there is. Everything Virtual does has some type of significance. We did get the opportunity to go to his figures of speech exhibit at the High Museum in Atlanta, man. This is one of the shirts that I picked up from it. If you saw my last video, I was probably wearing that. It's a dope exhibit, man. It's gonna be in Atlanta until, let me see if this shirt says when. It does not, but it's sometime next year, man, like February or March of 2020. It'll be around, man. So if you're in the Atlanta area or anywhere close to where you can just drive up, man, it's worth driving up and checking it out, man. Culture yourself, man. It's definitely dope. And I'm not sure if it's gonna move around to different cities. I can imagine it would probably make it to Chicago, New York, LA, those places, you know, where the arts are prevalent. It'll probably be that, man. If you're in one of the smaller cities, man, I hope you're able to come out and check it out, because it's definitely worth checking it out. All right. Other than that, man, I want to thank each and every one of y'all for continuing to pull up and support us, man. Definitely be on the lookout for those outfit challenges. They are coming, y'all. They are coming. I know we're getting close to the holidays, so we're gonna get a little bit of time. Once Austin gets out of school, we'll really be able to get on that. So bear with us, man. I'll bring a few sneakers to you here and there, man. I could really do a video every day for the next 2 weeks, because I've been picking up so many kicks, but I just haven't been able to bring them to y'all. So hopefully y'all not mad at that. If I bring something old to you, you'll still check it out. Other than that, man, you got your boy Pop Solo Dolo once again, man, bringing you these crazy dope sneaks, man. Vapor Streets. Those guys, man. Super dope. Oh, I didn't say that they got the silver on this side, man. And that is it, man. Your boy Pop Solo Dola checking out. Holla.